Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you a little project share that I did last night. I made these cute little bat bow clothespins. They are made out of glitter paper from Hobby Lobby, and I like that, you know, the glitter doesn't shed, but you could always use regular black cardstock and glitterify your clothespin. I thought that was another good idea because regular cardstock is easier to work with and bend and like try to curve, you know, versus the stiff cardstock, glitter cardstock. Anyway, I showed you guys, I think a couple weeks ago, how to trace with your Silhouette Cameo. You could also do it on your Cricut. I just traced it, and I like using my electronic die cutting machine because you can resize stuff versus like if you get a die in the mail, you can't resize that. Like that's the size you're getting, and I want to say the one on Aliexpress is several inches big. But so this, for these tiny little clothespins from Hobby Lobby when they were on sale for 50% off, I picked up the black ones, and I think these turned out so cute. And you could even just do, if you have a bat die or a bat punch, do that and then just make a black bow and stick it on top. I think that would work as well. Look how cute these are, you guys. And then I also saw on Pinterest, I was like, oh my gosh, you crafty ladies are just like blow my mind with like altering stuff. So they used a butterfly punch. This is the only butterfly punch I have. I do have a couple dies, but I didn't want to whip out my die cutting machine. So it just depends on what size bat you want to get. So this one was clearance from Hobby Lobby, and this is the butterfly that it punches out. And what the people were doing is they were using like little circle punches, like depending on what size. If your butterfly's bigger, you're going to use like a bigger little circle punch, but since this is relatively small, I was using my hole punch. And what they were doing is literally just getting as close as you can to the tip, so you're going to make a sharp point, and then where that point ends, you start your circle again to punch. Again in that corner, and then again where it comes to a point. Let me try over here. Oops. And then at the bottom I do it as well. I'm gonna do it a little bit more. And obviously you want to make them the same, so I need to cut this guy off. Let's see. Kind of just play around with it. And then I did not like this little, like the butterfly, what is that, a tail? Since I don't have like tiny little scissors, I'm just gonna cut it off. So now it looks like a bat. You guys can use your butterfly punches and make bats. Obviously they can turn out differently just depending on how you use your circle punch to make the sharp points. They all look batty. And then you can just glue this on the top of your paper clip if you want. Have the same effect, or use different colors like orange, or paint your paper clips. But yeah, I'm just working on some Halloween stuff in between the rest of my summer projects so that I get that fix of Halloween, because Halloween is my favorite holiday. I will link down below the original bat die off of AliExpress. I want to say it's a big bat die, and it's a big wooden piece. I'll link it anyway, but you can also use that image on AliExpress and trace it on your electric cutting machine. All right, bye guys.